Hello girls and boys, welcome to Blackboard Techniques. In today's class, we'll be solving the first problem in exercise 2.2. If you check out the playlist in English, you'll be able to find out all the previous example problems and exercise problems with solutions. The video link is in the description. Do check it out. It would be helpful for you. Now we can see the question. Here the question is, for what values of natural number n 4 power n can end with digit 6? What is the question? For what values of natural number n? Natural number means it will be starting from 1, 2, 3, 4 and goes on. 4 power n can end with digit 6. Okay, whatever number we are applying for n, the answer of the particular 4 power n can end with last digit 6 or not. Okay, this is very simple. If you understand the concept, you'll be able to find out the answer easily. Now we can see the solution. So for this solution, I have written the given thing. What is given in the question? 4 power n, right? The question is, what values of natural numbers, for what values of natural numbers 4 power n can end with 6? So now what we are going to do is, the natural numbers are starting from 1 to 2, 1, 2, 3, 4 and goes on. So I'm taking n equals 1, 2, 3, 4 and it goes. Okay, I'm going to apply this n values in this 4 power n 1 by 1. Okay, 4. So that first step would be 4 power 1, right? We should apply the value 1 in place of n first. After finding that step, we need to apply the value 2 in this place. Okay. Now, when n equal 1, then n 4 power 1 equals, right? I'm applying 1 in place of n. That's it. So 4 power 1 means 4, right? So I am checking 4. The answer is 4. 4 power 1 means 4. And when n equal 2, then 4 power, here I have to apply 2, right? In place of n. 4 power 2 means 4 into 4. 4 into 4, 16. Right? So, I'll be getting 16. And when n equal 3, then n 4 power 3, I should apply the value 3 in place of n. So, 4 power 3 is 4 into 4 into 4. 4 into 4, 16. 16 into 4, how much? 6 into 4, 24, 2, 1 into 4, 4, 4 plus 2, 6. So, I am getting 64, right? So, here 64. And when n equals 4, 4 power 4 would be how much? 4 power 4 is nothing but 4 into 4 into 4 into 4. 4 into 4, 16, 16 into 4, 64, 64 into 4, 4 4s are 16, 1, 6 into 4, 24, 24 plus 1, 25. Here I am getting 256. 256, right? One more step. When n equal 5, then 4 power 5 would be how much? 256 into 4, right? 4 power 5 means 4 into 4 into 4 into 4 into 4. So we have gotten 4, 3. 6 into 4 into 4, 16. 16 into 4, 64. 64 into 4, 256. 256 into 4. 6 into 4, 24. 2. 5 into 4, 20. 20 plus 2, 22. 2. 4 into 2, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. So 1024. Okay. Now we should look at all the steps. Here we have 4. Just look at the last digit. Okay. 4. Here 6. 4. 6. 4. 4 and 6 getting repeated, right? So whatever number you are applying, next you'll be getting 4 and 6 repeatedly. Okay. In every steps 4 and the last digit, I'm talking about last digit. The last digit 4 and 6 will get repeated one by one. So okay. So you can check whatever number you can use, the same number will get repeated. Same number means last digit 4 and 6 will get repeated. So here, when we are getting number 4, you should concentrate on when we are getting number 4 as last digit and when we are getting 6 as last digit. Okay. Here, this is 4. When n is 1, n power 4 power n is 4, right? Here, this value 64. When n is 3, the value of 4 power 3 is 64. So look at this n values. Whenever we are applying odd numbers for n, okay, whenever we are applying odd numbers for n, we are getting the last digit is 4. And here 16, this 2 is even number and this 4 is even number and 6 is this 5, right? N power 5. We are getting the last digit as 4. So the question is, for what values of natural number the number 4 power n can end with 6? So what should be the answer for this question? The number 4 power can end with last digit end with 6 when the values of n is even number, right? Just we are concentrating only the steps which ends with last digit, ends with 6. Okay. Just concentrate on this 16 to 56. Here in both steps, we are having n values as even number, right? So when n is even, the number 4 power n can end with 6. When n is odd, the number 4 power n can end with 4. That is the answer. So how we can write the answer over here? The number 4 power n can end with digit 6 when n is even. This is the answer of this question. This is all about the answer of first problem in exercise 2.2. For this problem, we have to know what is natural number. That is enough. Natural numbers are starting from 1, 2, 3, 4 and goes on. It will be goes on, right? So just we are applying that n value one by one in this 4 power n, and just check out all the answers what we are getting. Okay, if you're looking at all the answers, whatever answer we have, each and every last digit, in each and every last digit 4 and 6 getting repeated, right? Whenever the n is odd, the last digit is 4. Whenever the n is even, last digit is 6. Here the question is, what values of natural number 4 power n can end with 6? So we are concentrating on only on the steps which ends with 6. So the answer is the number 4 power n can end with number 6 when n is even. Okay, this is very simple. Understand the concept and try to do yourself. For this problem, you have to know what is natural number, that's enough. And you have to know the multiplication process like 4 power something. You have to simplify that. That's it. I hope this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, share it with your friends and hit like button. For more updates, subscribe to the channel Blackboard Techniques. We'll see you in another video. Until then, Shiny signing off.